Good evening, everyone. This is Engineer Pat 5290 coming to you with an Easy Command follow up. Uh, I just want to say thanks to the guys that have looked at that video recent of the Easy Command sound demo. I greatly appreciate the support on that, and I'm glad to hear that it may have helped some of you guys understand the system and how it works, and uh, just a few follow-up things that my buddy was asking me about and just wanted to make some clarifications about it that I did not make in the video, so pay attention just real quick. uh, DCC is just about the same for everybody. The only thing that's different is just the sound and the manufacturer, but DCC is DCC all the way. Digital Command is Digital Command. uh, some of the product lines that Bachmann has are just straight runners or analog locomotives. They have DCC on board and DCC with sound value, because Bachmann was a little bit later getting into the sound system, and I was a little bit surprised at that. But like Athearn and Atlas, they've been ahead on that for a good long time. Broadway Limited Imports is another one that's been ahead with it. Kato doesn't do DCC, I don't think, but they do analog logos, but you can buy the DCC decoder and put sound in it. Athearn has ready to roll locomotives. They're starting to put some of the DCC and sound in the ready to rolls, like my 3170. My 3811 had that too. I had to get a couple things fixed to that. But other than that, DCC is DCC. The only thing that's different is the manufacturer. One thing that I did not put in there, that every DCC locomotive, when you buy it, whether if it's from Bachmann or Athearn, possibly Atlas, it comes with a default address of 3. Let me repeat that. All DCC locomotives come with a default address of 3. And then once you get it in and run it, you can assign that to different numbers. I know Digitrax is different, but Bachmann's is really simple. I am going to do a tutorial on how to do that in the upcoming future on doing the programming of digital command equipped locomotives. With Bachmann, it's pretty simple. I know how to do it with Bachmann. With Athearn locomotives, it is the same procedure, but I can definitely do a video of that in the upcoming future. So that's another tutorial video that will be eventually done. I'm glad my buddy had asked me about some of the sound features, and I think it was a pretty good help. Uh, really, that Easy Command system is affordable. You can look on Amazon and find it, or you can go to your nearest hobby store, or even your train shop has probably got them. But enough on Easy Command real quick. I want to just do a quick couple follow-ups on that, just so I can clear up maybe some misunderstanding. I'm also working on a couple other questions that he asked me as well. I'm still doing some research on that, like putting locomotives together. I can show you how to do it with Bachmann DCC on board locomotives, and I'm also going to try to work with maybe some Athearn sound locomotives as well. So I'm still working out some of the kinks with that. May not be right away, but I'm going to see if I can try to get some more of those tutorial videos. So I had fun doing that. Was really my second tutorial video, and I've actually really enjoyed doing it. So really, guys, uh, I'm really glad my buddy had asked me about this, but I will be doing some model railroad stuff as time goes along that I think would be helpful. I mean, I'm not going to accept any requests just now, but I'm just trying to figure out some of the problems that some model railroaders have out there, and just want to do my best to help you guys out, especially if you are a beginner. And I can definitely do some how-tos, some of the basics, and just talking about some things. So that will be eventually the how-tos for model railroad, some for beginners. I can definitely do a video on that. So that is definitely going to be in the works very, very soon. So enough on Easy Command real quick, just jumping ahead a little bit. I do have some singles that are out. Just want to thank everybody for tuning into all 3 of those new ones. I greatly, greatly appreciate that. It's all the stuff from recently with some special catches, and all of that's going to be featured in the May Tidewater stuff, with some of the restrictions getting ready to be lifted, at least where I'm at. I should be able to start really getting some premieres back up and running. So that should be coming out very, very soon, with the premieres starting back up. And you guys are looking at some of the singles, so you guys can look at that while I work on the big video. So you're getting a sneak peek of what you guys are going to be seeing in the upcoming premieres. So, uh, but other than that, that's really it. Trains are still rolling. I've been still able to get some trains. So you guys are in for a real treat for all three of these premieres once I get all of them finalized and up there. And I'll be setting some dates really soon, guys. So it'll be March, April, and May. So it's going to be 3 months of videos that you haven't really seen yet. So some of you guys are going to be in for a real treat. So anyway, guys, that's a wrap for this video. Just remember, smash the like button, drop a comment down below, and subscribe. For the ones of you who have not subscribed yet, please remember to tap that subscribe button. And just remember, tap the notification bell so you will get all the latest updates on the channel and what videos are out. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will catch you later. Peace.